Hi, welcome to our channel Gurukul. This is Ravi Coach. We are having one like this is the Slim Sadhuka. He's a nice player. Okay, so I want to show you something about that. Our player is really there having the athletic posture or athletic ability, athletic foundation to hit to play a nice tennis. Okay, so we are going to check out that one. So where is your racket? Can you get your racket first? Okay, so now you can see that. Okay, you get more closer with just from a steady position. So you can see that he's a nice player. So he know how to stand, how to steady position. But one thing I can see that this is toe to toe and heel to heel. Okay, you can check that little bit. Toe to toe is wider. Can you make it a little bit like this? Okay. So now it is more better. Okay. And the next one you can see to do the ready position. You can see the leg is very good, strong here, and then his ready position is there, and then his posture is very good. So I want to show that the same thing in the this side. Can you take your camera here? Okay. Now, can you ready now this? So he is in this here. Okay. So ready? This. So this is the rest position. Okay. What I said before also in my last video. This is the rest position. This is the statics balance. There are two type of balance. Is the statics and dynamic. Statics means you don't need to move. Dynamic, you have to keep your balance when you are moving, but you have to maintain your balance. Okay. So now he is there. So can you stay again? So you can see the thing is his posture is like this, and then coming here and then coming down. So this is a nice posture. So his leg is, his knee is little bit relaxed, his full body in his back, gut, and okay, so here, so he is now better, okay. So now I want that he is going to do the same posture, because when you play match, you need to do, you have to come this position, rest time, and this position again and again. There are so many times, every time you need to come here and then go for the movement, okay, you go for the motion, okay, go for the motion. Ready position. So I want to see him that when he will come back, stay in the normal way, and then when he will come, and then coming here, and then how he is doing. We want to check 5 times. Is he doing the same thing again and again, or doing some up and down? Let's see. But he's a nice guy. 1, 2, stay. Ready. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now, so next time I'm going to put, we are going to put the line here, and we fix it, and then we can see how he's doing. I think he's okay. Okay. So when we check in the okay, this is the checkpoint. When you do the recording, and then we check that how he's doing. So after this one, I'm going to show him how he is doing. But that is okay. Now we are going to do the next step. Okay, he did the nice job. Okay, so he's a nice player. He's a very good player. So he's a junior level, top junior level player. So next, can you go that side? And I'll put the frame there, and then you can understand which leg is going there. Okay. So now his front leg is going out of the box, so this is not good. So now we can see that next time how he is doing when he is the wide stance. Now I am going to make his leg little more wider, okay, to stance. Can you stay down a little more? Okay, now little down, ready position. Now I want to throw the ball any side, and how he will react. Okay, so that is the thing. That means when you are here, most of the time if you see the ball here, your right leg is going first. Okay, So can you give me the ball? Okay. Ready? One, two, three. Okay. So now I take one ball. Now I'm going to make wider, okay? I'm going to keep my leg wider, and you can see my wider. I'm ready with 9. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that one is which leg is going. You can see that my one also. Okay. So this is the very important for the athletic foundation. Can you come and take this? This is the important thing for athletic. Your player is good or not, we can check like this. So my player is good or not, we can check like this. You can see that they are doing the same repetition again and again or not for the how they are doing. And the second one, if they're wider, they can run. So if you cross your leg, you go more faster. So when I'm going to do the footwork drill, then you can see that people are going like this, or like going like this. So instead of that, you can, when you're ready position, if you want to run there, you have to, your right leg will go first cross and then you can run. So it is more faster, okay? So I try to show that one. So I hope you understand this one. So stay more wider with the good balance and wider stance for the good balance, the athletic foundation, and then try to make your leg more strong. So if I will say 1,000 times also, you are not going to do. Because when you are going down, you need to get a little bit more strength in your leg. So for that, you need to do some exercise. So when you're getting the more strength in your leg, your movement will be little more faster, okay? So thank you very much for your time. And I hope I explained a little about the foundation of the athletics, the athletic foundation of the player. We can check that one, and I hope it is going to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.